5 things I wish someone told me before I started my fitness journey. Number 5, don't rush your goals. Crash diets and extreme workouts to try and achieve something in a short period of time will do more harm than good. Fitness is a forever journey. We're going to be doing this for the rest of our lives, so find something that's sustainable and that you enjoy. 4, it doesn't have to hurt. We're training for everyday life and not a sport. We don't need to train like we're professional competitors. We don't need to constantly be in pain to get a good workout. 3, exercise is not punishment. We don't work out because we ate a bad meal, or we don't work out because we don't like the way we are. Rather, let's work out because our body is a temple. We want to treat it with love and respect. 2, no one's gonna force you to do the work. This journey is yours and yours alone. You're gonna need to be your own motivator to stay disciplined. But that's a beautiful thing. Everything that you accomplish will be from your hard work and your dedication. No one can take that away from you. Number 1, it won't be easy, but it's not impossible. There will be some days when the lightest exercises will feel the heaviest, and there will be some days when the shortest sessions will feel the longest. These are the moments that build character. These are the moments that will make you more resilient. Don't quit. When you're feeling exhausted and burned, learn to rest and scale back, but never quit. I really believe in you. Keep going. You totally got this.